Now this is the urinary bladder. What we are seeing in the urinary bladder is yeah. What we see in the urinary bladder is an echogenic area, coarse echogenic area, giving sharp posterior shadow. This one, and this is a calculus in the urinary bladder, measuring approximately 35 millimeters, and this is the sharp shadow posterior that we are seeing. Okay, now the second thing in this patient, along the wall of the urinary bladder, you are seeing incomplete, short, linear areas, both sides. Here, these are. The ball should have been as smooth as this area, but you see the projections into the lumen of the urinary bladder from the wall, this one, all this. Now these are called hypertrophic trabeculae. Now because of this reason of hypertrophic trabeculation, now you see it's on both sides, and it's involving both UVJ. And when we see the ureter, now I'm going to show the distal part of the right ureter. Dilated it is. Yeah. Now you see okay. Well, these are the iliac vessels. This tubular structure is the distal ureter because it's not taking blood and it enters the urinary bladder where the trabeculae are seen obstructing its view. The color I am showing you is just to show you the area that I am saying is the dilated distal ureter is not a vessel, this area. And see, this is the wall of the lateral wall of the urinary bladder, from where onwards it's blocked in this region. Now this has led to what? Another finding. This thing has led to this. Yeah, this is the kidney. See the right kidney. Moderate to, it's almost moderately hydronephrosis. Parenchyma is there, but the cortex measures 3.8, and you see this is these are the dilated calyces, this is the pelvis, this is the ureter emanating, and the same it follows the course down up to the level of the urinary bladder that I've just shown you. Either way, this is the left kidney. Same, you will see the same finding that you are seeing on the right side. Here, all the calyces are dilated moderately. The parenchyma is preserved. This is the medulla, so the corticomedullary differentiation is intact. It is being perfused normally, see. The parenchyma is being perfused normally. And if we trace it down, it also ends up. This is the dilated ureter. Now, why this is the dilated ureter? Because it does not take blood. It's a tube, fluid-filled tube, and here are the vessels where you are seeing the blood. These are the iliac vessels. This is the ureter, left ureter. It also ends up into the urinary bladder in the same fashion as I have shown you in case of the see the hypertrophic trabeculae, how they look like. On both walls. So this is a case of bilateral obstructive uropathy due to hypertrophic trabeculae or bulbous cystitis, chronic cystitis with a calculus in the urinary bladder. Not only that, now this projecting echogenic semi-rounded area, this one, is the enlarged median lobe of the prostate. And the prostate is enlarged. See this area. This is the enlarged median lobe of the prostate. So there is prostatic enlargement as well. And there is urinary bladder outlet obstruction as well. This is our case of failure. Thank you.